It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at a blaster of 2021 Upper Deck Allure. You get 6 cards per pack, 5 packs per box, but more importantly, this has the Leopard base parallels, which might be the best thing that Upper Deck has done in recent memory. We opened up a blaster of this previously, and those Leopard cards are amazing. So there's our packs. This blaster costs $25 US. Connor McDavid on the packs and on the box. Let's dig right into it. So Upper Deck Allure, another parallel heavy set, much like OPG Platinum. Starting off with a rookie of Vitaly Kravtsov, Alex DeBrincat, there's Cale Makar, and we've got a rookie of Alexis Lafreniere, and a Bowen Byram Leopard. That's nice. Hope he gets back on the ice. Josh Norris. It's already two pretty decent cards out of that pack. There's a Bowen Byram's regular rookie. Sidney Adult. We've got Dustin Brown. Nicholas Baudin. Oh, and there's a Crosby Leopard. That's awesome. That'll be a nice PC card. Patrick Kane. Pack number 3. Not many packs in this, so this will be a relatively quick break. Brady Tkachuk. Geno Malkin. We've got a Matisse rookie, short print, Thomas Harley, and a Dustin Brown Leopard, and Zach Parise. I like the fact that Upper Deck is starting to put some exclusive parallels in their blasters. Makes them a little bit reason, gives you a reason to go buy them. Carey Price, Timothy Liljegren, Mark Stone, and we've got a Ryan O'Reilly. What is that one? There's a Black Rainbow. We've got Nicholas Baudin, Leopard, and a Nick Suzuki. And our final pack of this blaster. We've got Mark Giordano, Alexis Lafreniere, John Tavares, Tomas Hertl, and we've got a Brady Tkachuk Leopard, and a Jason Robertson rookie. So there you go. As promised, a pretty short break. 2020-2021 Upper Deck Allure Blaster. So let me know what you think of the break down in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.